sometimes you got to put aside the statistics and you got to just believe in yourself. Now, what do I mean by that? I saw a tweet the other day, and I saw this guy make a tweet, and the guy made a tweet and he said, 1% of all content creators make it. And then he said, less than half of a 1% of content creators become millionaires. And then he said, and then he gave an even smaller statistic of people that made it. And the guy was a pretty big content creator that made the tweet. And I get where he was going with this. He was trying to tell people to be realistic. Be realistic with the way you think. It's not hard to get rich being a content creator. A lot of people try and fail. And I get what he was trying to say. He was trying to give people a positive message to be realistic sometimes. But here's the problem with statistics in general. When you look at a statistic like this, you don't know how that study was conducted. Maybe the definition of a content creator for them was anyone who posted one YouTube video in the past year. Now, the problem when you grab a big group like that is a lot of people who posted one YouTube video in the past year, a lot of them weren't serious about becoming a content creator. A lot of them didn't have the mindset that they weren't going to give up. And I bet you those statistics would be much higher if you were interviewing people who were quite serious about being famous and who were pretty consistent about posting. And I bet you, I get what the guy was going with this, but does believing in that statistic really help you? Like, let's put that statistic to the side a second. It's literally impossible to fail as a content creator as long as you don't give up, regardless of what your content is. If your likes and subscribers is going up consistently, regardless if you went viral or not, if you're growing consistently, regardless if you went viral or not, regardless of how good your content is, it's guaranteed to happen. We talk about that line graph. If your subscriber count and your likes and your views is slowly going up, it doesn't matter how slowly, it is inevitable that you will reach a day where you break that threshold, where you will reach the day where you become the guy you want it to be.